Abuja for Ahaye GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadia latest and hot news, and Kwa Eramede Bremo. Anuti Sawunya subscribe to channel here, Bomodia say obe subscribe. You be able say obe click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification, we understand the video be upload when the first person I was Ebeka ASA video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my offer for us now when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. I feel yambura aye and someone abeto yep no so yiti a yes I report here about to jai sanse me ekoso yiti.
Umi sana nado dam kwa kufu say ba na say na Sky Trade wanye oni Port Thompson UK Port Thompson say oba be Sky Trade na nado di Ghana num we ase na nado so ohia 10% from Port Thompson in UK wo ba omi o sori a wo say wo de wo ye meat ya ma kwa ma wa anye bibia we are one breath also the electric buses aba na ba na say na wonya otumi ko bi gate. This is the critical question we should ask you. What we need to me what me a launch credit score abra nipa nya adwuma Ghana fo amotete aburuchiri ha no when na onya adwuma or credit score December 7 for about na ye kwa akoto no Ghana ni bia manani enna ho na ye daache enna ekura ye nsem no President Akufo-Addo ne NPP aban ayo wona dwen se omo be wia abato no esan se amamuo tantan krono ketase hye ameye no Ghana no omo pese omo to bedadi. Breaking story: NPP for printed ballot papers from Nigeria into Ghana. Into all the presidential candidates, will be very vigilant. Me deal with international intelligence. Me kwanka meka se yen so na nakwa mbedi akonhwe. Onye president mpo ena watimi anya se anim de ewe. Ene so be ye president no kura tumi dia. Ene obetimi aboa yesika na amrofo na ba bewia no. Wasanso akode ya ade amaba. Mamemfa this breaking story and two. Information international tip off enra minyaye from France and UK and say NPP for printed ballot papers from Nigeria into Ghana.
Wow.
Yes, all the presidential candidates will be very vigilant. Me deal with international intelligence. International intelligence. As I can read my lips. Into obianya very vigilant. And a two, mian kasa manim, and a mian kasa me yonko or ye journalist, and a NPP punning for a hand no say, penny power America ha. Me more name. Na omon shedanye audio and kasa my bet in America for so many years. Na first no na be a groceries, ne buono wa form pa na ne buono aye den enti America aye den enye Ghana nko a wiase nyina aye den enti ma Ghana fo enyina so enkasa ye to abatia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia at least onya nipa be 4 na wa record na ode ama Ghana top media stations no na omo so a play video no nyina ena me yonko na say obe charge omo $10,000 ena omo say ombe man $5,000 asema American say NPP for say me boy I am daring them they should go and sue me. Just 3 days ago asema American you 3 days ago it is on the social media na ibimo say ye hwede na nado project ya hodo na nado commission ye adwen say ye nto ya ba say de ya sesa ya adwen omoboa eyalo omo atuatu sika ma manfo but me yonko no o say on hwe da $5,000 no hunti ma Ghana fo bra mo bre no ensan so nkotoa so na no wa abusuanfo wo Ghana enti wanye enti no per all these analysis nanakuya I can boldly and confidently tell you say NPP has already lost the 2024 elections. Even yen NPP for nan kasa ye NPP for ye the NPP atwa ye funuma no yempo ye se ye nto ya ba ma NPP 2024 na floating voter no beto na ba ma NPP ana enti na napia 2024 elections na de NPP for lose enunti na omo pese omo fa kwamoni bia so edi wia abanum no na yen so no ye need ho with the security intelligence and vigilance, you be more when say elections are won at the polling stations, and you manage polling stations very well. Said you be a mutri mu pon or mukro no one be money no intimimum. You did not correct your budget Ghana. Those media now, a Haley NPP, Nana Siciano, is kind of a Piamomo. Initially, my young queer American asked them no. Now, or not so would believe, say, hey, Frank, the way Ghana first sounds so Haley Nana do. And I'm a catcher and say, Miss Son who say, why Nana would name say, or ye NPP ni, my partner or say on to now back. Emma Nana donate Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia. Na eni oseme sanso atuma abama Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia. Ebi ni ho. So eye NPP for na nkasa no. E no mo ahye da atwa omo. Eye camouflage in the system. No mo di bring Ghana for ani so. And very likely enough no. Me yonkora na ono no nyini no. Ono na so na NPP mpanfo no kosi ya. Omo ma na this agenda. E no no ankasa sanso frame ya o ka kire me. Nam se ene da ho no se see ye ne Nyankopon ye na ade omo be ma no $5,000. Wow. Na ompeni yes nipa 4 pe na omo nye audio na yes omo nkasa America ye den America ne ma bo akosoro na price we net sei na we ti sei enti enye Ghana nko a na ye nto aba no Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia na o mehihye Ghana foforo na o meyi mfi o ha ne amane anu. Me say me de mensa na esi me buaka woni say me Frank Adane de me mpe propaganda me nitro enu ntina me say me ka asem na mo NPP fo mu fi say me boa Ghana mra kire say asem bia wo be ka to nipa so anokure ni no mutumi che no mo mra meche me. I am ever ready for you. Investors here enu ameno amodi nkomo anyame ya adma this week from France to UK. Wan hwekura na me kura me free America ha akụkọ m ho wo UK na ye ne omo edi nkomo e kire se the Ghana for itimi to wona ba editia Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia every quantum of money whether billions or trillions of dollars omo paso mo ba be invest wo Ghana ha no se ye to abanitia Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia nko ade a they will come. Wow. But se Ghana for ya so brache na omo sanso to omo aba de ma Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia omo mfa kapre $1 po ensi Ghana bio. Esan say Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia ne NPP aban no eye akromfo awudifo omo nwene Ghana for mo na top class investors no Ghana ni a oye votarian eni di omo anim na yasanso ahye no bo say any amount of money uhia bia no ye de be ma no enti me Frank Adane I am also telling every Ghanaian say se mutimi to aba no ditia Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia se yantimi amfa investors amma Ghana with about trillions of dollars me Frank Adane nobody should take me serious again. Me say Ghana for me to me to abaditia Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia. Na say yantimi amfa investors amma Ghana. Mama may invest about trillions of dollars and create jobs. Me Frank Adane. Nobody should take me serious again. Now, Nanakuya, Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia on to mean separating a home in free Nanado Danko Kufado amamu tantan on the biara da. Okay. For Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia to admit, for some Ghanaians to admit, he said, Nanado Danko Kufado are failing no. That is to affirm, said Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia so a failing. Ye wo kromuha. Ena President Akufo-Addo kachire ye say dienti a ode Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia oba nyina ne say yen economy no apro atete apansam. Na Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia na waye adwuma o Bank of Ghana a onim sikasem ho ntotoye enti na ode no ba. And ode ne ba ye nso so no there are several platforms President Akufo-Addo abo Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia baso na wachire say Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia is the best vice president ever in Ghana's political history. Na eba ne say na ene Ghana apro atete apansama woso wo de unim ho hwe. na unim ho hwe o ba ne se no be best vice president in Ghana in nya Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na nkasa na o se ye ka vice president a wa ye adwuma pa ayo no
yes
na adwuma na oye no wotogu ana Benin ana Burkina Faso ena Ghana fo ye nhunu som nsunsanso a ene Ghana apro atete apansam no be na bia yen Ghana fo a ye NPP fo ye wo gidie wo NPP abamu se NPP aba na betumi age Ghana asi ho ade baako a Ghana fo ye gina so e de to abaditi a yewura John Dramani Mahama corruption na yenim se John Dramani Mahama de yo kronfo tachi amwa na akua yehu ne so kronfo da e wo wiase na sana na do dan kwakufu ado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ma yehu se sa kronfo bi sino kronfo bi and I can boldly and confidently say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eye akromfo 1 million times than John Dramani Mahama me say asema American obi biara. That's why I always dare say me minsuro bia wa Ghana ho minsuro President Akufo-Addo no isan say President Akufo-Addo no oye kromfo ne kro no a wabo nyina no I have the evidence with me. Kromfo President Akufo-Addo investors ba be invest sika e wo mamu wa promise Ghana for so be creating nyuma ma Ghana for anya bia ye oba ye wo mo brother nti wantumi creating nyuma obi free ne man so ba be creating nyuma ma Ghana for anya bia ye wo so wantua bribe wa mame a me ma kwa ma wo ma ye me creating nyuma no ampani nia ne ampa mumisa President Akufo-Addo say ai Ghana ye ka ye de ama ene ye kumu ebu no wiase amansa ye se omo de ka na eche Ghana Akufo-Addo se ompene Akufo me kanchira Akufo-Addo se ompene me asema me se asema me ka no habia no mon kanchira IGP mon kanchira President Akufo-Addo o se me boa they should go and sue me so ompese omo de Interpol kura be fa me wa America I am ever ready for their Interpol arrest
na ompene obetu ya mayana say
eye krono se sika ne ye de che Ghana se e ka no a Ghana de no se Ghana etua ka na omo no mo wo ntwobo wom
oh okay
debt ni bia no eye artificial so mo koye deal na enti bia na akua be ye deal se ade no se ye bia ayi bia 100 million no mo inflate price no ani bia be se 500 million enti de da so no eye omani na etua but e ko mo botom enti se wutwamu a omusika no asi pe me brother baako o Canada sabro ominim se otie me oye NPP ni mapa o so watwa ticket a o ba beto na ba tia NPP Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia o ya santini o say o the investor every Canada ba Ashanti region Bosomtwe constituency Adutum the constituency o mo ba be develop a voter league Adutu ni secretary say omu hia bribe and san omu manaba be develop you.
Wow.
Later on, yes, omu catch them say investors from Canada, Europe, America near they deal with clean job. But investors from Arabian countries, omu there you scratch my back, I also scratch my back. That's why I Ghana for those Arab investors no contract because some of they will understand and inflate the prices. But when it comes to UK, Europe, America, Canada, omo French into just a beer, Rubia mense back, but eno enye common. When it comes to all these analyses, I am telling you that President Akufo-Addo and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia has absolutely failed Ghanaians and they have disappointed Ghanaians. And then another nankasa onam na all pachew se kana nanka omo so omo de be che no o sere omo fan che no another say me boa omra bonche na mo me expose me se NPP for say me frank adane me boa omo mra bonche me te ha na omo afre me te ha na omo afre me say I deal with international intelligence, world-class intelligence, and right from France. Men chere nipa no me cap Akufo-Addo na nkasa nim but mumi se Akufo-Addo no say why pani why no wo France or pana chew say omon kopa chew na omon fa Ghana ye ka no enche no wo bi sa President Akufo-Addo no say me boa obda bonten anase me kan trust na agu no so a omon che me I'm ever ready for them na wo ye Ghana ni na wo tie mi a tie na tie nie wo daache eni kura wo nsam a ochena anase Saturday wo kwa decide no na say wo ye mistake me de no kura ehia na esefata me de amaw me meti America kuromo anyansafuo kuro me pa me ma me kɔ American embassy ana me kɔ American immigration me pay my records na me catch them say I'm not coming. They will accept me. But where a jema wo yarea ke baby akɔ hospital but omo yarea no omo ti America ha. But where the better hospital and better treatment America by even yempo na yenya America for na nkasa no they omo ahihye omo kuro no say we wonya America yempo na wo America kurum ha the esefata o say ye bo ho ban se nipa na wo to bia no omo de agu na akwa mu na hwe kurum Ghana wo na wo ye Ghana ni no ya fa o se sabi aboa e na sa abire enkyene anwa emo sardine entoma na ye cheche dia mawo enya niwu Ghana fo enti da bem pa na sabi ye papi ne se nipa wo ba wie suku wo manya aduma nye ene politicians dia nwa emo amambi ko de kuri ene cheche mawo na won so wani age wo ji akwa akoto aba adai Ghana fo na enti bisa ho se senka omo dwen wo ho a enti emo ne anwa na sefata sa mo ne anwan so so omo chei spider ti ache no spider ti aka no ena ye de ma wadi akwaku me Frank Adane me kama babe duru America kama etumi kama no apu but me Ghana yesi kuntu hwan ya na chi ya na ekro I have a family in Ghana, I have friends in Ghana, I have work in Ghana. Ghana is my home country. No matter what, I have to defend the country at all costs. And as I say, it's Ghana is here. If we are cromfo with different treatment for some. Into the 2024 elections, Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghana Libya and I just Kotuna Bama. Because he is not competent enough or a truffle. And when Timian demonstrated, say, I'm or a doctor in economics. Obe Timia Ghana as you na wama Ghana yen economy no aye lucrative. What you make as a economy when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. What is the exchange rate now? No one can say Ghana for IMF a lazy man's approach. Now what about IMF no? Not just say uni nimbia with the boomai. And the Ghana was hefa. You the IMF. When the economic management team. When the economic messiah, who now also economic messiah, what the young call IMF, and the economy no apro atitia pansam class with John Dramani Mahama de na ye say enye na ye more John Dramani Mahama simium na ye kum John Dramani Mahama. Look at the way you see good John Dramani Mahama ni ma say even then time na economy no na ense said the economy ya say ye now and the yanto nyum frau. Who is a Ghana for who you nkosoro betchre mo kan ye betchre mo hu say ye MPP for nanso Ghana first ye do Ghana. That is to tell you say is an artificial. Okay, but do men check the current rate of dollar, but artificial who say is artificial in such a way say they know say dollar exchange rate, you know, one of the thematic areas I ain't Ghana for be so they are to. So they are just doing something for Ghanaians to show, say, yes, ma dollar, no, yes, it's there to turn there, but it's never true. Let me tell you, a dear Emma currency, now more than a costro, a production. So we produce more goods and services to the world market. The ama dollar, aje in hini, and we are seeing in say, America controls about 50% of World Trade Organization. We say pound, $1, euro, $1, meboa. Yes. But pound, euro, no crano. Or one share dime to say dollar no. So what I say? It's as a result of dollar, America for control about 50%. They produce more, and everywhere you go, their product is at the market. It is a Ghana per se, yen currency no ekosra. As I say, one you produce. Say, Uhena se won't mean producer. We have what you call import substitution industrialization, or cultural revolution.
Yeah.
And the kwanse we import it and near from outside. So won't mean producer. Also, some men for top. Into one of the one woman no depend on it. The basa currency no at more than a bedding a back form. That happens in 1949, 1969 under Chairman Mao Zedong in China. Now China was among the poorest country in the world. Into such China, British colonized China. It's not China for but under Chairman Mao Zedong, they adopted the Cultural Revolution. They realized that aduane omo pepa ye emo. Intino for other preferences, they put it aside. Now omo make sure say every household there is rice. Now omo ankasa dependent on the rice. No mu dependent the omo wo. Omo nkwa abonten enkwa kra niema. Omo nso so ade omo wo no entimi nkwa abonten, so they are in their own coffers. So China control the whole close to all the borders from there to 2000. Now more so by the year 2000, no, now China who knows how great yet by establishing and also joining a World Trade Organization. So that's why from 2000 we say China from China product is spread across the world. And then as I'm speaking, China is the second largest economic country in the world, apart from United States of America. And even per the analysis, so who use GDP, China, America is leading. So who use in purchasing power parity, China is leading. And it is estimated say by the year 2025-2026, China may lead the world super economic powers. So look at where China was coming from. Into yana political scientists, na yesansusuya political economy, international economy near the adeno. We learn all these countries now were developing where they were and how they've made it to where they are now. So as president, vice president, and economist, you should be able to know all these things. Nya fi no ba betina ho na oba obesia moko bobesia no so ba kura na wuntumi mfa nya de papa na mu disika no na mo de ye unnecessary things. Enti na kuya Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia de ne so se enti na ama Ghana fu bi mu kura kase a PhD in Ghana is not relevant, but even a passport, Togo passport, is more relevant than a PhD in Ghana. It's as a result of the performance of Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Politicians, so wild to the extent that obo pronona obo ana wakata to.
Okay.
That is it. Which is said Nanakia may award Yamfa Agenda 111 contract any example. A President Akufo-Addo na find the buy. And now or see 111 hospitals. And a Frima Opare. And a watch contract in Nina. Eti omwe sika bi ha under normal circumstances no. Sika nke betimi aso contract no. 100 and bia 11 bia every hospital bia no e be $100,000. Let me take it that way. But all the contract no obeka se da bi yenya no be $200,000. Why am I saying times 2 per one hospital? Enti on paper no Obia agree say $200,000, but in reality, $100,000. It is say yellow unim say no, but on paper documentation everything. Should I say real? Dear now better. Into the record to I because we pass through procurement, everything. Actually, say 200,000. Now, Mekai. Say, Oshe contractor Hodwa. President Akufo-Addo. Omo to me catch a contractor. Oba be a contract say and an investor say you bet you 10% of Sikana or the Baba contract, you know. It is a president 10% here, minister and so budget. So what you say? So 10% in you as investor no, who declare say what you 10% am president do. What they can the cost of a Jumana or Baba, you know.
Okay.
In paperwork, you know, obey we now as a contractor, no, one waboka. For you to get your money back, you know, not the same politicians and the president, you know, almost so for Pampaso, I'm a document here, what they better get you see kind of back. And it's a yes, and Nipano free move Baba can't say now, yeah, you don't have any paper document to prosecute. Young Cecilia Dapa. Cecilia Dapasika, I could yin pass it. Na Yamusi Sikawi, almost a yen sawa, you're born in Sawa, Ninia Bima dear, and a year you're born in Sawa, $5 million. Now, even Sika counting machine, the fastest counting machine, cried the country in more than 5 hours. Be seen, President Akufo-Addo say, young fan Sika mano. Now, you miss Cecilia Dapa. Or ye minister for how many years? Na says none cut ya saying, Unya says he can't walk. So what did the American say?
Yeah.
Ain't our leaders no more yakron for no. A question is Kufuku, Nkokora, or one or much or more warrior. And at the end of so I said Kufukubo, I Kufukubo, but only any my ending, yam passo. Ain't it or more Cassan in Nim Quam Passo or Fasubo chrono. And on a ama chrono or more bar. Wouldn't him say a walk or no kind, so wouldn't mean Yamore. Ain't it a dear I bet me up your mouth said the nature. Bit is us until the dear 2 walk or no ya, Nayare, Abon, Groom. As you are the Daha, wouldn't mean you be in a noa. You see, all that life support to our check will be we. So, bit that Don Kuma, or no so walk or noa, or no so a dear confirm. Poison or no so no, Unya Yari who are no so, or dear no the chef for me. It ye empire there bonne say, Nyanko pon the ye Yanakatia for. Because politicians no muno mukre to me no, and no munim quampa mobile fast, Oko court to an Equia. Yen cannot crew your camera, our court. Okay,
but Mr. Frank Minchawan no. A year, mammy, Sister da party. Now or see a yen someone body. Sir, Mr. Frank, what's your man say a colanco tadie? Na ebia, 1 man no ebia 50 cedis. So Uncle Tade wouldn't say be a dear no ebia 40 cedis. A colana call, you know, was or buy and was say 50 cedis. Mr. Frank, will you be a who person who no crave one more? When you're crying about baby or cotard na kubusa say, a young passo say, a 50 cedis and me one sampa.
Oh, yes, there have been a president Nankasa from my mention what dear Bako. Cecilia Dapa, Nana Ojeje Akufo-Addo, ne kro no sika nyina ma no. Me na make am say Cecilia Dapa de no mo konkosi no court. Cecilia Dapa, on Nana Ojeje nti sika na na egugu ho nyina no, eye President Akufo-Addo. Sika ewu mu bi. Enye Cecilia Dapa no nko ade o. Akufo-Addo kro no oje no Jubilee House bia no. Na Cecilia Dapa na eje investors here American a later round omo president ho a show sika kire no $8 billion and the account na kire no aye architectural design well omo the investors no 10 from the world Ghana Jubilee House omo ibibia wie na president Akufo-Addo ka kire so omo nko Cecilia Dapa ho na unsigned document no omo start to work omo ko ya Cecilia Dapa say President Akufo-Addo say ansana or no Cecilia Dapa be sign on. I just said investors in see 5-star hotel. They contain 120 beds capacity. Other than that, own sign. So because I didn't know President Kajno say Munko Cecilia Dapa ho. Na Cecilia Dapa so cancer no. I then a president am call Cecilia Dapa to order. Asema me kopa mumisa papa usu ankoma. On the year ambassador to UK. Mumisa no papa usu ankoma. Bra investors no catch on say come here and call me money. Because no kasa ni nim kon be fa so be ye. I am say me kasa na me tumre na ma kiresi. Enti na nakuya the NPP government no. Omo a bunch of thieves. Okay? There is an NPP woman organizer, our friend Sister Barbara, our set a company in Ghana. Now our man project your more STC, na komia. And what ye audios na me de Barbontena. Who say, aye, omoje, agene enam, ebimoji mobile phone as bribe, no more inflated price, no. Emma na komia and Kasakan in a new tube say NPP co-position. Into no money in term no munya Ghana Sikano. It is a Uria Sikana wire contract, what the contract. Now or the Sikana ship. So what the no this is the contract document. Dear Ben Albacanakia. So I say, Refrima Pare, or the Jubilee House. And no after agenda 111 Sikana Wajia with dear answer. Mimi Nimobi MPP Nima Pa. Ya generated $33,000 and also or per agenda 111 project. And no $33,000 in Amfa project na mano. Emma Omudi ni Sikano man, no cotton the fee, men am a ton fee no mano. Me say I'm daring the people put challenge. Free more party to not or gent to Makinti, the Nepia to Makinti, a Madian to Manyamana, the Nepian to Makinti, what they had. Free more party, chief of staff, not or Dikinti, now I'm a Obi MC. Kinti. Yes, it's a Tafo MC, your friend and Lord, one of mine. Into where we tear me up, winning Tafo MC beyond one country or the Kinti, ne command free more party, and a man that MC now, or they yet walk Yashanti region, who say, oh, Tafo say, him for Tafolo. Now, into the they are a bunch of tips. And a Muria or Mano, into Muria or Mano, Ria. About to bedua, na ye cha mo, na ye cha wa, na ye cha watermelon, na ye sanswa down, na ye mawon chene.
Yo, if you any reporter, abeto yepono so. Se when you subscribe to channel na bomodi say obe subscribe. Na fe wa like video, like the video. Na fe share ma ofu frosuna when you be here. Sanse hadie latest and hot news. Ngwa eramede bremo. Usu betimi ache wadrin afa eye some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mubeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.